Hey guys, it's been a few days since I've done an update. Um, I told my Discord group that I had a lot going on, and I'm just getting back into trading after I had a whole bunch of stuff going on in my life and family stuff. So I'm taking it slow. So I took a few days. I'm not going anywhere. I'm definitely back for the long haul. I'm definitely getting hardcore back into everything. I'm even going to be announcing a new podcast I'm doing with a lawyer friend, talking about politics and legal issues because with the Rittenhouse case, I got popular because I was good at doing video analysis and legal analysis. So I'm going to be doing that, and of course, crypto trading. So I'm excited for a lot of stuff. I'm just working on a lot right now, and I'm trying to take it semi-slow. I don't want to overwhelm myself and burn myself out. I just want to do a really quick video because it's been a few days, and I want to just show you what I have been talking about on the model that I was showing you, when I first came back last week, which I had predicted all these up and down moves on Bitcoin, right? So remember up, down, like all those moves I had predicted really well on Bitcoin. And the same thing on Ethereum. I had predicted all these moves up, like down, all these moves I was predicting perfectly on the majors. Now, since then, we've dumped down harder. And if you remember, the big takeaway when I was discussing these models was I was telling you that these are all bear pennants, so they are bearish formations. I said if we break above, not this little tiny little move above, but if we break above, like break into the Ichimoku cloud here, if we break big above that pennant formation, it can be a short term, really, really aggressive recovery bounce, right? But that didn't happen. We got rejected at the cloud, came down, and we're going a little bit lower. So I think we could still go lower here. We are at good base support right around this region. There's a lot of good base support around the 17s on Ethereum. And in the case of the Bitcoin model, again, since I'm sticking primarily to the majors, we haven't really come back down that hard from this pennant. I can actually redraw this pennant a couple different ways. I'm not going to bother. I don't have enough points of contact to get a really clear picture of where that baseline trendline support is. But let me see what the daily looks like. The daily looks a little bit better for drawing the pennant a little bit further out like that. You see what I mean? There we actually have a few more points of contact, so that might actually be more viable. And then on Ethereum, the fact that the daily bottomed out so aggressively on the Stoke could be a potentially, sorry, could be a potentially strong indication that we're going to have a nice multi-day recovery bounce here. I'm still not ready to start trading again. I have to build up capital. I'm just trying to save up money to provide for my family before I start trading. I'll be trading soon. I have enough prospects right now and revenue streams that are coming together in my IT business. I'm going to be able to enter into day trades pretty soon. I'm thinking within the next week and a half, I'll be in a good position to do so. But right now, I still don't want to make any trades. But right now, I really like this for a potential short-term bounce up to get a nice little recovery bounce to recover some of this dump. I'm not going to make the trade yet, not only because I don't have the confidence quite yet, but I don't have the capital to make those trades. So I'm still not saying I'm making any trades. I'm not giving any trade signals. I'm just sharing with you what I think is going on. I think we could go lower on the majors with everything going on in the markets right now. I know with the Fed stepping in, it kind of complicates things and it's really hard to predict. But the technicals tend to be pretty accurate, even when those other external variables come into play. We talked about this before a few videos ago. You can have charts where it shows, hey, everything is really bullish, everything's going to go up, right? Based on the technical models on the charts, using each of my dynamics model, whether you use Wave or various predictive modeling techniques, then there could be a war halfway across the world that we get dragged into and the economy crashes and all of a sudden everything is going down and the technicals didn't matter. The technicals are usually pretty reliable and they matter to an extent, but it can be affected by those other external variables, be it fundamentals, things like that, international politics. So right now, I'm still not comfortable making the trades, but right now, I do expect a bounce. I'm not going to say right now again, don't worry, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to go down and play with the kids for a bit. I'm going to do a more detailed update coming up. I want to look at the alts because since I've been back, I've only looked at Ethereum and Bitcoin. So drop in the comments of this video if you want me to look at specific altcoins, or if you're on my Discord, my trading group Discord, tag me in the chat and let me know specific altcoins that you want me to look at, and I'll start looking at those and trying to catch up and applying my models to those. And if my models can be accurate on those charts as they were on the short-term charts when I was giving predictions 3, 4, 5 days ago, we should be able to make some really nice day trades once I'm comfortable making those moves. All right, touch base soon. Thanks, guys. Trade safe, trade smart.